What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Rod Steven here, your trusted guide for luxury real estate across the Charlotte Metro. Today we're in Davidson, North Carolina, touring a brand new AR Homes model in the boutique community of Copper Pine. This fully furnished 5,500 square foot showcase sits on over an acre and backs to 135 acres of preserved natural land. The finishes, the next level. If you love what you see today, AR Homes can build this exact design on your own land anywhere in the Charlotte Metro. Big thanks to Dawn and the Monterey Bay AR team for giving us access. Now let's step inside and take a look. Now, as we approach this exceptional AR Homes model, I'm really impressed with the contrasting design elements the builder is showcasing here. You've got this beautiful light tone stacked stone framing the windows and entry, paired with a mix of darker and lighter hardy planks to give the exterior real depth and dimension. Those steep pitch roof lines immediately make a statement, adding both character and presence to this elevation. And check out these oversized iron and glass double doors, an incredible feature that's going to flood the interior with lots of natural light. Let's head inside and take a closer look. All right, guys, stepping into the foyer here, you're immediately greeted by a soaring double height ceiling and this bold modern chandelier that's going to set the tone for what's to come. I like these warm oak wood tones in the flooring paired with that soft, neutral finish that's going to create a bright and inviting first impression. And from here, the layout brings us straight into the heart of the home. Now, this open concept living space centers around a refined family room with 11-foot ceilings, integrated surround sound, and a ceiling fan overhead. You got this sleek linear fireplace framed in wood, which just anchors the space and adds a clean, modern focal point. Now, just off the family room is this incredible chef's kitchen. Follow me in. Here you'll find high-end contemporary finishes throughout, flat front European cabinetry, a dramatic oversized island topped with dark quartz, and beautiful statement pendant lighting above. Every appliance is top tier, from the 48-inch 6-burner gas range to the built-in stainless refrigerator and inset dishwasher. And tying it all together is this seamless slab backsplash, elegant, minimal, and definitely built to impress. Now, just off the kitchen and to the right, you'll find a sleek wine display and wet bar setup. This is designed for over 100 bottles. And with AR Homes being a custom builder, this can easily be converted into a temperature-controlled wine cellar. Next to that is an elegant bar area, ideal for entertaining, featuring open shelving. You got quartz countertops and this built-in Monogram beverage fridge. And then just around the corner is this enormous walk-in pantry. Tons of room and beautifully done. And as we come out and head left, we step into this expansive laundry and drop zone area. I'm really liking the contrast here. That bold cabinet color paired with these light countertops gives the space a clean, custom look. And just a reminder, everything you see here, folks, comes with the home. Now, as we exit the laundry room, we land in the casual dining space just off the family area. This room is spacious enough to entertain, but still keeps it relaxed. And check out the chandelier, bold, modern, and the perfect finishing touch to elevate the space without overdoing it. Just behind the breakfast area, we have this incredible office space. Follow me. There is so much natural light pouring in through these oversized windows, and that vaulted ceiling adds a real sense of openness and luxury. Now, one of the standout design features here, something AR Homes is well known for, is this two-tiered layout. You got the relaxation or lounge zone up front, and then your dedicated workspace tucked behind it. If you've watched my videos before, you know I love this setup so much, I actually recreated it in my own home. That's the beauty of building custom. As we exit the office, we pass this main level powder room. nicely finished and perfectly positioned to service the main floor. Now, headed back towards the kitchen, there's a unique feature you don't often see on the first level. AR Homes, like many forward-thinking builders, really understands the dynamics of multi-generational living, and this space reflects that beautifully. What we have here is essentially a second primary suite, ideal as a mother-in-law suite or private guest quarters. It includes room for a bed, you have a seating area, a fully equipped kitchenette, walk-in closet, and a private ensuite bath. And here's the real game changer, folks. It has its own private entry. So whether someone's coming in late or leaving early, they can do so without disrupting the rest of the home. This is a smart, flexible design that really sets the home apart. Now, let's head into the primary suite. This space is flooded with natural light from these oversized windows, and that recessed lighting feature above the bed adds a sleek, elegant touch. And just wait until you see the bathroom. This is a true spa level design. You've got floating dual vanities with quartz countertops, these built-in sconces, modern mirrors. This freestanding soaking tub and oversized glass enclosed shower create a showpiece moment. Gorgeous tile work and a sleek soap niche. Guys, it's all in the details here. To finish out the suite, you find a large walk-in closet with built-in cabinetry and a central island. A premium touch for both form and function. All right, folks, if you're still watching and enjoying the tour, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and is always appreciated. Thanks. Now let's head upstairs where we find the home's bonus and entertainment areas, and AR Homes really delivered here. This space is thoughtfully divided into multiple zones, allowing everyone to enjoy something different at the same time. You've got a dedicated TV wall with lounge seating, ideal for movie nights, gaming, or even sleepovers. On the other side, there's a full wet bar, plus space for a pool and game tables. Perfect for hosting friends or watching a Super Bowl or NBA Finals in style. And tucked conveniently nearby is a well-appointed full bathroom, making this entire level a true retreat for entertainment and relaxation. Also on this level, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, each with generously sized walk-in closets and their own beautifully finished ensuite bathrooms. The attention to detail continues throughout. Stylish fixtures, great tile work, and thoughtful layouts. Really well done. And as we come out of one of the guest bedrooms, AR has done an awesome job of finishing this space over the garage. They have it set up as an entertainment area, as well as a home gym. Excellent idea. Alright folks, if you've seen any of my videos before, you know I like to save the best for last. Back downstairs and stepping outside through one of these beautiful sliding door systems, we're greeted by an incredible covered porch, complete with a sleek modern concrete fireplace. Motorized screens could easily be added here, making this a true 4-season space. And check out the outdoor kitchen. Fully equipped with built-in grill and vent hood, absolutely ideal for entertaining. And just beyond that, you've got a gorgeous pool with a sun shelf and raised spa. I mean, how could you not love this backyard? All right, guys, that wraps up another luxury home tour. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, AR Homes is a custom builder, so whether you want to build this exact home or personalize one of their incredible floor plans, I'd love to help you get started. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're relocating to the Charlotte area, empty nesting, a veteran who's retiring, upsizing or downsizing, this channel is for you. Call or text me anytime. My info's in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram at Roderick Stephen LLC. And as always, remember, luxury is an experience, not a price point. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next property tour. Peace.